But yeah.
Alright, that's probably about as close as we can get.
This is a huge flood. Yeah, it's right up, nearly lower than the wheels.
Yeah.
Can I?
No.
I'm just gonna film.
See the water coming out of the drains there?
Where?
Just up in front. Bubbling up. Over there, where the footpath is.
The whole footpath. Woo! Here comes the oh, cool, it's coming out the front. Whoa! Getting onto the grass. That looks like steam.
Yeah, it probably was. Okay. Oh crap! Come on.
That was bad.
Nah.
Then it'll reach Mary's house.
No, that's just the wave from the car.
Yeah, I hope.
It'll draw back.
I hope no other car goes up.
It's pretty funny. I'm glad I didn't decide to try and drive through it.
Yeah. Mary's mum asked if that was our car.
Nah, it's not our car.
There's not much that we're filming. Just the car.
Well, not really. It's just the car. We should have bought a camera.
Look at that one. Here comes another car, but it stopped.
Yeah, that car won't make it through.
It's reversing. Otherwise, it would
crazy.
do what that car does.
Yeah.
No one should even try to do that. Here
Well,
comes
no, I wouldn't try driving my car through that.
I wouldn't try it in that.
Nah.
No way. Why did that one even try?
I don't know. He might have accidentally parked his car there, or was foolish enough to
Even trying.
try and go through it.
I don't know where Mary lives. So. Whenever we come down. I know she lives close to our place.
Yeah.
She lives just across there.
Yep.
Here comes a big car again.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Alright.
You better move. Oh,
Yeah, just get as far back as you can, but they're not coming through fast, that's okay.
yeah. That one can do it, I bet. Can it?
Yeah.
Again. Don't go far. Don't go too fast. And
Feel the waves. Feel the ripples on the water.
why was the steam coming?
Because the engine was hot
Ooh,
and it got water on it.
that's how that happened. I wish we could go through right over that side and see the back of that red car.
Yeah.
We would have to go across
Well, we'd have to go around the block.
or walk through that water.
No, I'm not doing that.
Nah, it's too high.
Come up to your knees.
It's definitely. I'm better in front of you in case some big car comes along and fast. Lots of people are turning.
He'll cross the road too. Otherwise we'll get wet if
Looks
someone
like
decides to
there's
turn.
someone actually walking. Ooh.
Yeah, they're just on the grass where we were.
Yeah, but they could be. Yeah, so I can't miss that. Because we walk there on the phone. Not good for me to walk up that.
And there's the car again.
Yeah, that one's actually trying to back up in it.
That's not the whole wheel, that's just the reflection of the half wheel. When you look at it, it looks like the whole wheel.
Yeah, I said you said it was about up to our wheel. Okay. You can make it. It depends on what way you go. If you go that way, you can't make it. That way, easy. Well, this one goes into that river.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, I need to go through this.
Too much water, eh?
No, I need too much water to drink. all before.
It's a pretty big stretch of water.
Yeah, it is.
It's actually getting higher.
Really?
Yeah.
How?
Yeah, because when I came in, when I drove in, oh no, it's about right.
Well,
Is that what
let's
it
go
was?
this way a bit.
Alright.
See the actual back of the car.
Yeah.
Those people are trying to bike through it. They could do
Well,
it.
they could do it. It's not like they'd stall.
Yeah, because they don't have a motor. They would have to go very slow.
They'd get wet feet though.
Yes. You need to be a champion bike rider to go that. Hey, it's water's coming into here now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, now I'm guessing that it's not good for me to walk on. Stuff
Yeah.
like this.
Alright. That would give us an idea of how deep the water is.
Hey, look.
Right. What?
Look. Swirling.
Yeah, that's where one of the drains are.
What?
So it's draining away
Look.
there.
It's really beautiful, actually. It looks nice. It looks like a blue thing. I don't want to go that close or even try. Hey,
Right.
those things ran around it.
Yeah, come this way.
We could have done that, but... Yep, I have to. We can't walk in that.
Well, I could have gone around it, but you wouldn't have been able to. Not without getting wet.
Yeah. This is long flood.
Yeah, it is. Draining there too.
Yeah, it is. That's a bigger one than it was last time. The flood's going to get smaller.
Yeah, it'll drain away eventually.
Oh, I need to go toilet. Dad, I know another quick way around it.
No, because you can't get through there.
You can go to the end, walk across, around there, but you would get
You get wet.
a little.
What do you mean, a little?
There.
Further on, the next driveway, you'd get wet. Yeah. Alright, we'll go back soon, okay?
I don't think so. You go around there. Go right around.
Alright, come on, let's do it.
You'll see it. Right to the end of the flood.
Come on.
I was moving around with my desk.
Well, this is how high the water's come up, if you look at that. So it has actually gone down since... Because,
What's that noise?
someone's car.
Ah! Your shoes are all dirty and tan.
Oh, are they?
You just,
Ah, bugger.
yeah, it's little at the back.
Yeah.
Little bit. Dad?
Yeah? No.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
How deep is this big?
Deep enough. Oh, you can walk right along the edge.
Yeah, let's do that.
Alright, if you want.
I will get
Alright, come back, sweetie. Come back.
Hi.
Because there's 2 4-wheel drives approaching. And you don't really want to be stuck in the waves when they come up. So you would have gotten really wet.
But once that water goes back and that car goes through, which it won't make it. But once that water goes back in, we can go.
Yeah. Yep, it's going to take a while
In
though.
that car, actually. No one in that car. They must have tried to walk out. They must have been pretty tall.
Yeah.
That car's not going to make it unless it's turning. No, it's turning in there.
Alright, let's go. Back that way, quick.